Good morning, everybody. Happy Saturday. Oh, I think it's actually afternoon. About to meet up with my boy Chris. Get some vegan food. Alright. Guys, this is Chris right here. And his small camera goes right there. Alright, so we just had great lunch at Chloe. Right now we're gonna go check out Kif because we're trying to get those Wetherspoons or whatever. So the goal for today is trying to find a spot and a way to get these 97 Air Max 1s. It's gonna be crazy, you know, everybody wants them. It's gonna be insane. I know in Kif they have like this nice display. Hopefully they let me record inside there. They're kind of picky about recording and whatnot. What we going for?
97th.
97 what?
Wetherspoon.
Yep. Wetherspoon? How many pairs you want?
Just one. That's it.
That's all you're asking for,
Just
right?
one pair.
That's all I'm asking for was one pair too. So let's check out Kif. Yeah, you want to follow me? Alright guys, so we just left Kif and they told me that we gotta follow the bus that's going on for these Air Maxes on Instagram. So it's gonna be hard to get those, but they're not doing a first come first serve. Right now we're gonna go check round 2, see what they doing and whatnot. So check it out. Everybody, so we went to a couple of places, no luck. Everybody's doing raffles, no camping out anywhere. Honestly, at this point I think I'm gonna have to pay resale price if I don't get them for retail, and resale price is going for at least 400 to 500. It might drop though. Today was a successful day. My boy Chris is gonna start his new vlog today, so go check him out. Go check out his Instagram. He's a cool photographer as well too. He loves photography as like me, so pretty dope. right now flying the drone. He's convincing me to get myself one. I don't know, he's entertained over there. The drone is like somewhere in the sky right now. I did come up with a W today though. I just want to mention that. I don't know if y'all can see it. Well, that ends my video. I hope you liked my video today. You already know Escobar Jr. season all year long.